Hi. So in this particular lecture, I'll be explaining you how to perform independent samples t-test using SPSS. So what I'll do is I'll take an example where I'll compare the weight of male and female respondents in a particular locality and try to figure out if there is a significant difference between the weights of male respondents and female respondents within a particular locality. So to proceed with, I'll first require to import my data set. So I'll go to file, then open, and then I'll go to data. Then I'll look for CSV file. I'll import the CSV. Okay, and yes, they are delimited. Yes, the top of the file variables, the variables they are delimited by a specific character, and I select OK. First case begins. Okay, then I click next, then I click and finish. Okay, so here is my data set which I'll be using for analyzing. Okay, so I have taken a sample of 100 people and I'm comparing the weight between the male and the female respondents. So one is for male and two is for female. Okay, so I'll go to analyze, I'll go to compare mean, and I'll select independent samples t-test. Once I select that, my grouping variable is group and my test variable is weight. So in the grouping variable, I'll define first group as 1 and second group as 2, and options 95% confidence interval, and OK, and I click OK. So I get my results. So I can see that the group statistics indicate that the mean weight for male respondents is 44.162 units and for females it is 44.945 units. Okay, and this is the standard deviation for male, this is the standard deviation for female. Okay, this is the independent samples t-test. In order to check the independent in order to interpret the t-test results, we will first look at the Leibniz test for equality of variances. The t-test assumes equality of variances. If this equality of variance test is satisfied, okay, then we use the t-test statistics for equal variance assumed, that falls under equal variance assumed. Otherwise we use equal variances not assumed. So we see that the test statistics is insignificant. Okay, so it means that the variances, equal variances are assumed. Okay, it indicates that we can safely assume that the variances are equal, and we proceed and interpret that at 98 degrees of freedom the t-test value is minus 0.435, and at this number or the t-test results, so we interpret that start. So we interpret that the t-test value at 98 degrees of freedom is minus 0.435, and the significance value is 0.665, which is more than the threshold value of 0.05, which is very commonly used to check the significance of a test. So we conclude that there is no difference between the weight of male and female respondent in the given locality.